making pancakes of Cooking with Jon.
Welcome back, guys. Tonight I have my friends with us, my little girl Amelia and my son Duke. We are making pancakes. Well, Amelia has a project she has to do for junior kindergarten. She has to make pancakes. So hey, perfect. We'll make pancakes for dinner. Awesome. So we got a recipe from Bon Appetit. And if you don't know what we do here, guys, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, get stuff, cook it. It's easy as that. We've been doing it for 95 days or so on a 365-day cooking challenge. We've also done 35 in our world record attempt. Our world record we're attempting is to cook a different recipe off the internet each night and not repeating it. Until they give me the world record, we'll see what happens. Got an application, find out how that goes. Anyway, as I said, guys, this is a project for my daughter Amelia, so this is her show tonight. So, with no further ado, we're going to start making some pancakes. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the dry ingredients. So, we're going to put our flour in the sifter. There's our flour, pour it in there. Pour the flour in the sifter. Right in there. There we go. Okay. Then we're going to pour, hold it, put it down. That's okay. Put it down. That's good. Baking powder. In there. Yeah. Our sugar.
You know my channel, it's called Fire Frog.
And our baking soda. Oh, not coming out. Give her a shake. There we go. Got her out. Perfect. Okay. Now you know what we're going to do? Grab the handle. Duke, come here and help, okay? Grab the handle and give it a shake. You want to help? You shake it too, bud?
No.
No, you can't shake it? There we go. So you see, we got it all sifted properly. And then we're going to add our kosher salt in. Okay? I'll throw it in. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Alright, so we got all that mixed in there. And we're going to whisk it together, babe. Yes, of course. Now give it a whisk together. There we go. Get that salt all mixed up. Keep her going. It's good to teach him to cook.
I already know how to cook.
You do you? That's good. Alright, baby, that should be good. Here, let me give it a little twirl around just to make sure. Alright. There we are. Alright, so now you said you want to help with the wet ingredients, eh, buddy? Alright. So, we got a couple eggs to crack. You can crack one, I'll crack one. Crack it. Crack it into this bowl. Right to there. Is it broken? Yeah, it's broken.
No, let me do it.
Okay, do it then. Give it a good crack on the counter. There you go, now it's broken. Get your thumbs in there and pull it apart. There you go. There you go, perfect pour, yeah. Not even a piece of shell in it. Awesome. Alright, so we're going to beat those up. Grab your fork, beat them up. Grab your fork, give it a whisk around. Break the yolks. Not like this. Come here.
Wait, I broke it.
Here, I'll show ya.
You
Like
want.
that.
Now let me do it.
Okay, you do it then. Alright, that should be good. It says lightly beaten. That's lightly beaten. That's good. You can pour it in the bowl now. Give it that fork. Yeah, pour it in the bowl.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright. Get it in. Next, grab the milk. The buttermilk. Grab the buttermilk.
Pour it in.
Pour it in the bowl.
This is heavy. Whoa. I
Put a
don't.
quarter of buttermilk there.
Buttermilk looks like milk combined with butter.
Yep. Now you grab the butter right there. Pour that in the bowl too.
Is that melted butter?
That's melted butter. Yep. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Beautiful. Got her all. Alright, now give her a whisk around, man. Grab the whisk. Give it a whisk around. Just get it all mixed together.
Looks white and yellow.
It looks white and yellow. Well, that's the eggs and the buttermilk.
Now let's
Alright, that's good. Perfect. Just give me the... Alright, so now we're going to combine our wet and our dry ingredients. I'll do this part, and if you want to give it a mix around this, you can do that. Okay?
Can I mix it?
Hang on, just let me get it started, and I'll let you both mix it, okay? So this is going to mix into a batter. Doesn't matter if there's a few lumps in or anything like that, it says so. You can have a turn in a second. Everyone's fighting for turns, that's what I like to see. That might have a few too many lumps in it. Here, you give her a shot now, buddy. Then I'll finish it up. We'll be right back when we get this mixed up, guys. So now we're going to give them a grill, guys. It says about a half a cup or a third of a cup on there. I find this batter quite thick, but I'm sure it's going to be friggin' tasty. More cakes and pancakes. I'll do the cooking part as well. I don't want them around the heat. I figured that was the safest bet to do. That's the adult supervision thing. So we got our oil heated up, and we'll throw a few pancakes on here. Let's see how these bad boys turn out.
I'm gonna have one with a strawberry on top.
Strawberry on top.
It's delish. And with some good, but it's very nice.
Alright, we'll be right back when those are ready to go, guys. Alright guys, all our pancakes are finished. These guys were already trying to eat them before we could even show you what they look like. Take a look at those guys. Those are looking yummy. We got some fried potatoes and ham with them. Because we had the ham last night, so why not? Alright, so we're going to let the proof is in the pudding, guys. Give them a try. See what you think. Try the pancakes. See what you think of them. Don't take the whole thing. Just take a bite. Come here. Look. That's simple. Whoa. Here you go. Alright, take the whole thing. I don't care as long as it's good. And? Derek, can I have some of that back? Is it good? Well, tell Mom then. Not me. Mom. There you go. I guess they like them, guys. That's a good recipe. Good to hear. I guess I'll try them too as I have a fork sitting here looking like an idiot.
Yep.
Thank you. Oh, that was really good. Nice and fluffy. Beautiful.
Fluffy like a marshmallow.
Really? Alright. Anyway, guys. Come on over. Take a look at the date and time. It is the 7th. Tuesday, the 7th of April. At 6:36 p.m. That's for our world record. Just for verification, we'll take a screenshot of that too. And anyway guys, if you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button. Anything else you want to see me cook? I'm losing all my pancakes. Anything else you want to see me cook? Just throw in the comments, guys. Love to hear from you. This is another Cooking with Jon. Bye for now.